Having a legal clinic named in the honor of Buck Franklin is just invaluable when you consider the work that he did, not just after the race massacre, but a part of Black Wall Street. He was a pillar in the legal community. One of our founding trustee members, H.A. Guest, was also a contemporary colleague with Buck Franklin. And so to actually have a law clinic designed to serve North Tulsa in the same spirit that Buck Franklin did, you know, before the massacre and after the massacre, is just tremendous. Far too often in marginalized communities, because people don't have the resources to have a lawyer on retainer, they just are inflicted with oppression, and they are exploited. The Buck Colbert Franklin Law Center can provide a huge asset to the students who participate in it. It's one thing with studying law in a classroom, right, and reading about criminal justice, or civil procedure, or contracts in a classroom, or torts, you know, in a classroom. But it's another thing to actually see a contract be breached in a person, and the impact that has on a person's life. You know, it takes it from just something that you read about in a book to something that you see in real life. And it's an experience that, you know, should be invaluable. It's hands-on application to what you're learning in the classroom. I would love for the Buck Colbert Franklin Law Center to thrive for centuries to come, and become an institution not just for Tulsa or Oklahoma, but for the nation, and for the world to recognize it as the preeminent law clinic that seeks to help marginalized communities in urban areas. And locally, would love to see the Buck Colbert Franklin Law Center pick up the mantle that his life was spent on immediately after the massacre, in trying to bring about reparatory justice, you know, for those who were killed in the race massacre. And there are several instances since then that call for reparatory justice that I hope and pray that this law center can help remedy.